Welcome to our zoology class. Today in a class we are going to learn about reproductive health lesson 3 unit 1 onwards. Okay. So in this lesson onwards the unit 1 it is completed. Okay ma. So reproductive health. Reproductive organ we are studied. What are the reproductive organ? That is you know that female for ovaries and then um, male for testis. Yes. So but in this lesson onwards what we are going to study means we are going to study that in a safe motherhood. Okay. அதாவது சேஃபான ஒரு தாய்மைங்கிறது என்னென்னா அப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிறதுல அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருந்தே நல்ல நியூட்ரிஷனையும் லைஃப் ஸ்டைலையும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறனால வரதான் நல்ல தாய்மை அப்படிங்கிறது சொல்கிறது. ஓகேயா. ஸோ from this quote onwards we want to know that we have to protect us not only during the time. Okay. So what are the reproductive disorders it is coming, how we cure that one, how we want to follow, likewise all those things in this lesson onwards we are going to see. The first one, sex education, importance of the sex education and reproductive health we are going to study. And then second one, amniocentesis. It is the one of the diagnosis. What is the importance of that in amniocentesis we are going to study. And effect of maternal and infant mortality. Death rate வந்து அது எஸ்பெஷலி ஃபீமேலோட டெத் ரேட் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஸோ இது 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 எதை இதனால் பின்னாடி ட்ராபேக் என்ன. ஸோ அண்ட் தென் we are going to identify and compare and explain different types of contraceptive devices and then discuss the medical necessity and social consequence of MTP and then sexually transmitted diseases. What's the reason for inner transmission and the prevention we are going to see, and highlights the reason of infertility. Okay, infertility na not able to produce that in a child, that condition, what's the reason, likewise we are going to discuss and then develop a positive and healthy attitude towards the reproductive life. Okay, the first one among that introduction. So what is that in a reproductive health? Okay, so it represents a society with the people, not a family in a people. It is in a society with the people having physically and functionally normal reproductive organ. Okay, so this is the important thing. So then only they are able to give that in a healthier baby. Okay, so and then it is not in a correct means it has give to that in a health is a community issue. Okay, so reproductive system is a complex system. It is a complex system and controlled by the neuroendocrine system. What it is controlled? Yes, neuro means nerves, it is controlled, and also endocrine hormones also it is controlled. Okay, so hence it is important to take necessary steps to protect it from infectious diseases and injuries. Okay, the first one among that 3.1, need for reproductive health problems and strategies. What is that in a need for that in a reproductive health? What is the problem it is arising? Okay, so first one, that is India. India is amongst the first few countries in the world to initiate the family planning program since 1915. When onwards it is started? From 1915 onwards it is started and periodically assessed every decade. Every 10 years, decade means 10 years, it is periodically assessed. Assessed means calculated. It is going in a correct or wrong. Likewise, these programs are popularly named as in a reproductive and child health care. Okay, RCH. What is the task of this program? Means the first one, creating awareness. What about that in a creating awareness? That is providing medical assistance to build a healthy society. healthy society. For the purpose we give awareness and medical assessments. Okay, the second one, introduce sex education. So who for we have to give a sex education means, because they in a childhood stage they don't know that in a sex organs, as derma reproductive organ, but adult people they know that what is that in a reproductive organ, but the misuse is happen in adolescence. So we give that in a sex education adolescence, and adolescence related to that in a changes. Okay, and then educating for in a couple, what the purpose they have to bring that in a couple means, regarding to that in a birth control methods and family planning norms. Okay, and then creating awareness about care for pregnant women, and postnatal care of mother and child, importance of breastfeeding. About that we have give that in a creating awareness, and encouraging and supporting that in a new methods of birth control. It is introduced by that in a governmental and non-governmental agencies. Okay, so these are all the important need for that in a want to know about the reproductive health problems and the strategies. Okay, so now it is do you know that 800 women it is in a die every day for preventable cause of pregnant regarding to the pregnancy and childbirth. Okay, ஸோ அவங்களால ப்ரெக்னென்சி டயத்துலையும் சைல்ட்பர்த் டயத்துலையும் they are not having the ability, so that they are dead in a 800 women for that in a globally. For India, 20% of that in a woman death it has happened, but we are in a growing country, but the death it is never be reduced. Okay, the mortality is mentioned as a death rate, maternal it is for in a female, so female death rate it is never be reduced. Okay, and then health care programs such as the massive programs. What are the programs we are given for that means, that is child immunization. ஸோ இதனால் சைல்டு வந்து இறக்கிறத தடுக்கலாம், அண்ட் சப்ளை ஆஃப் நியூட்ரிஷனல் ஃபுட். Okay, we give that in a very high nutrition food. High nutrition food means the deficiencies never be occur. Okay, to that in a pregnant woman, and Janani Suraksha Yojana, Janani Suraksha Karya Karna, and then RM and CH plus A, that is the reproductive, and then maternal and newborn, child and adolescent skills. All the whole rounded it is approach it is. And then Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Madriva Abhiyan, that is taken up that in national level by that in a government of India. Okay, so these approaches it is given for that in a health care programs. What are the health care programs? You want to study this one. Okay, so next one is aminocytosis. So aminocytosis, what means? It is the prenatal technique. Okay, so child starting women pregnant ஆயிட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா இயர்லி டயக்னாசிஸ் தான், அதாவது நம்ம என்ன கால் பண்ணுறோன்னா அமினோசிட்டோசிஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ டியூரிங் த டைம் நாட் ஒன்லி டயக்னாஸ் தட் இன் அ baby, and also its chromosome also we are able to detect. Okay, so chromosome, through the chromosome marbles, suppose if have any abnormalities having in a chromosome, so what happened, the baby it is not in a healthy after birth. So yearly very early detection of that in a chromosomal abnormalities detected by that in a fetus. Okay, is being often misused to the determination of a sex. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, செக்ஸ் ஃபீட்டஸ் வந்து என்ன செக்ஸ், மேலா ஃபீமேலா அப்படின்னு ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. அட் த சேம் டைம் ஸோ இப்போ ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுறனால என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, female means it is female feticide is happen. Okay, in mother womb itself it's killed by that in a female baby, so that it is burned by that in a government. Okay, so next one is the social impacts of sex ratio, female feticide and infanticide. Likewise we are going to study the first one. It is in a sex ratio. How it is in a sex ratio? The sex ratio means the ratio of a male and female in a population. Okay, so what is sex ratio? Ratio of the male and female in a population. So in India the child sex ratio has decreased. Okay, so what happened? It is decreased over the decade from 927 to 919 females. For that it is having in a 1000 males, so it is not in a correct ratio. So in this in a ratio, how we are able to correct means we have to take that in a some necessary steps. What is the necessary steps means? That is a gender discrimination we must be want to avoid, and infanticide we want to avoid. அதாவது குழந்தை பிறந்ததுக்கப்புறம் ஃபீமேல் அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் கொல்லக்கூடாது. இயர்லியாக ஃபைன் பண்ணி மதர் ஊமில் இருக்கிறப்பையும் கொல்லக்கூடாது. அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் பர்த் மேலையும் ஃபீமேலையும் தனியாக டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணுறனாலையும் இட் இஸ் ஹேவிங் இன் தட் இன் ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் த வே வி ஆர் இதை ஃபுல்லாக அவாய்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா what we are able to do now, we are able to maintain that in a sex ratio in a correct manner. That is the female feticide and infanticide. It is repeatedly asking question. Put a important it is. Yes, put a important it is, because female feticide refers to that in a aborting a female in the mother's womb. Okay, suppose the mother is a the female is a pregnant means that is first to find it that is a male or female. Likewise after in a mother womb onwards it is aborted. Okay, so it is killed. That is we called as a female feticide. So infanticide means what? Means after birth, that is killing a female child. That is we called as an infanticide. This is repeatedly asking question. Okay, so and also it is easy also. Some imbalance resulted that in a some imbalance in a ratio. So that purpose, that is UNDP's GIA 2018, that is United Nations Developmental Programs Gender Inequality Index. Okay, inequality index. This is for the abbreviation of that in a UNDP's GIA. Okay, it is started from the 2018, so that only year it is mentioned. Reflected that India was ranked at 135 out of that 187 countries, due to that ability availability of very few economic opportunity to women as compared to men. ஓகே, ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணுற ஃபீமேலுக்கு வந்து உமனுக்கு வந்து ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணுற கண்ட்ரியில் வி ஹேவிங் தட் 180 கண்ட்ரீஸில் வி ஆர் இன் அ பொசிஷன் 135 5th place. Okay, so we are in a backward only it is. The next one is in order to prevent female feticide and infanticide, Government of India has taken various steps. So what are the steps it is taken means? That is POCSO and PCPNDT Act. What is that means? Preconception and Prenatal Diagnosis Technique Act 1994 enacted to ban that in identification of sex. இப்போயுமே நீ வந்து ஸ்கேன் சென்டர் போனேன்னா எல்லா ஸ்கேன் சென்டரில் என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க, செக்ஸ் வந்து இது பண்ண மாட்டோம், இட் இஸ் இன் அ பேனட் அப்படின்னு வந்து மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. எல்லா ஸ்கேன் சென்டரில் இது மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. ஓகேயா, ஐடென்டிஃபிகேஷன் ஆஃப் த செக்ஸ் அண்ட் ப்ரிவென்ட் தட் இன் யூஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ரீநாட்டல் டயக்னாஸ்டிக் டெக்னிக்ஸ் ஃபார் அ செலக்டிவ் அபார்ஷன். ஓகே, செலக்ட் பண்ணி அபார்ட் பண்ணுற கண்டிஷன் வந்து இதனால் ரெடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். வேரியஸ் மெஷர்ஸ் are taken by that in a government to ensure survive provision of better nutrition, education and protection, empowerment of girls. ஸோ இதனால தான் வந்து கேர்ள்ஸ்க்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்களே தவிர வேறு ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஓகேயா, ஸோ கேர்ள்ஸ் வந்து otherwise it will be destroyed. Okay, so that only they give that in a importance to that. And mortality, infant mortality rate செக்ஸ் ரேஷியோ எலிமினேட்டிங் தட் இன் இதை ஃபுல்லாக கொண்டு வந்தோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த இன்ஃபன்ட் மார்ட்டாலிட்டி செக்ஸ் ரேஷியோ மெயின்டைன் பண்ண முடியும். இம்ப்ரூவ் தட் இன் நியூட்ரிஷனல் அண்ட் எஜுகேஷனல் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா தே ஆர் ஏபிள் டு சர்வைவ். Okay, next one is a PASCAT. PASCO means P for prevention, O for off, C for children, from, S for sexual offense, that is O for offense. The sexual harassment at workplace. Okay, so some tortures they are occur that during that in a working place, that is prevention, prohibition and a redressal act, and the changes in that in a criminal law based on that in a recommendation of Justice Verma Committee. Okay, it is recommended by that in a Justice Verma Committee 2013 aims at crafting a safe and secure environment for both females and males. Okay, so next one, up to that we are study that in a what is the sex ratio, we decide how we want to avoid like that. Yes, Tama. Now we are going to study that in a population explosion and birth control in a next video.